Normally, first they will introduce the subject first, and they will explain what we're going to learn today, and then they will start giving the questions for us to answers, like maybe if it's regarding emails or anything, they will ask, have you ever answer handling an emails from a complaint customer or something like that. So you need to discuss with the groups, and then after that they will start giving you like activities like you need to do, and then at the end they will give you like a task for you to maybe create the emails, and then to show to them how they will handle the case that they gave it to you. Well, normally I will just show them how they need to write it, and like normally if they need to write an emails, so I will show them what is correct and what is wrong about the emails.